Hey everyone, thanks for joining. My name's Chris White. I'm an investment analyst with 5i Research, and today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the Q&A section on the 5i Research website. From the members section, members can select questions along the left-hand side. From here, we can see the latest questions that have been answered by analysts such as myself, CEO Ryan Modesto, and founder Peter Hodson. As members scroll through the questions, they can click into it and read each individual answer. Another feature of the Q&A section is that a member can search up any Canadian or US company in the search bar at the top and see all relevant questions. As members are scrolling through the questions, if there's one that catches their eye or a certain company, they can hover over that company and view all the questions relevant to that company. Along the right-hand side, we have categories that we've placed each question into. If a member is interested in, let's say, ETFs, for example, they can click on the ETF category and see all questions relevant to ETFs. Members can also scroll all the way to the bottom, click the very last page, and see questions dating back to as far as 2012. We can see that members ask a variety of different questions ranging from company specific, such as this one on 3M Company, and this one on general market and interest rates. We find that the value added from the Q&A section is that members not only glean insights from their own questions, but also from the questions of other members. As members are scrolling through these questions, they can see something that's relevant to a company that they might own or the market and a question that they had in particular. As you can see, we've answered over thousands of questions over the years, and we find that this is one of the most unique features of 5i Research. Another key feature of the Q&A section is that a member can hover over a company and add that company to their watch list, which we'll cover in another episode. Okay everyone, that's it for today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it useful, and head to the 5i Research website where members can ask questions regarding individual stocks or the market, find research reports on Canadian companies, receive bi-weekly newsletters on the market, view analytics on their own investment portfolios, and much more. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you next time.